Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about CTSH. This is something that you don't want to be buying options on just yet, but this is something you guys want to put on your watch list. You can see we're currently in this nice uptrend. We just had a golden cross not too long ago, and on the weekly chart here, we just had the 20-week moving average cross above the 50. So this thing is due for a nice move upwards. The one thing you guys have to be paying attention for, even if we do break above this level at $82 and let's say 81 cents, you can buy there if you want to for like maybe a 2 to 3 day swing as it approaches this next level of resistance up here, $85. That's what I'd be doing. I would be buying calls for either this Friday or the following Friday if it's able to break out. If it breaks out, let's say sometime Wednesday or Thursday, don't buy them for Friday. Obviously, buy them for the following week, and you guys should be fine. The reason this extra line is up here is because from a few, let's see, all the way back a few years back, the high that it had was all the way up here, 85.10. This thing is due for another big move. Almost feels like an inverse head and shoulders here. A little bit. But we had our drop where they're trying to boost up here. And if we're able to get above this level here, $85.10, I would have a price target for anywhere from between $90 to $100. And from there, if you guys are looking to buy your strike prices, I would say somewhere, or if you're buying off of this first boom right here, I would say you guys can look for $84 to $85 strike prices. They should be fairly cheap. Or what you can do is you can look for a little bit longer if you guys want to be holding until like the end of the month or even January. As long as this bullish market continues, you guys could be buying somewhere up here at $90 strike price that expires sometime the last Friday of December. Or most likely you guys will be looking for 87, 85. And then if it goes, it goes. You guys will be making some really good profits after these ones. Again, just make sure that you guys are observing the overall market. The market overall is pretty choppy. I'm talking about the stock market, of course, not just Bitcoin here. So be careful, guys, but this is something you guys would want to add onto your watch list. Again, not to be buying right now, but to be buying in the next few days if it does have a breakout, or the next few weeks if it does need a little bit longer time for consolidation. Thanks, everybody.
Talk to me nice.